up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. More Disney Descendant dolls, The Rise of Red, are starting to show up. And my new Uma by Mattel just arrived. And she looks so different from the first Disney Descendant dolls. You know, these. Remember these? I bought Disney Descendants The Rise of Red Uma on Amazon for $24.99. In the box, there's a little Uma card saying that she is the daughter of Ursula. On the back, there is a picture of the actress China Anne McClain, and on the side it says, Uma, daughter of Ursula, strong and fierce, this captain always fights for her crew. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Open the plastic tabs. Pull the tabs out of the sides to open the back cover, and then just flip these up. I love how easy this is. Cut the straps and free the doll. Out of the box, we can add another belt with a little tassel bag on the side to complete her look. This doll's hair is kind of an aqua or turquoise color. It's crimped with a few braids. She wears a brown and blue wrap or scarf or headband across the top, turquoise eyeshadow with a little gold in the corner of the eye. There's a little blush, and she has a neutral lip color. This doll comes with gold-colored hoops that were not designed to be removed. She wears a faux leather jacket with a print. The lapels are two different colors, and there is some fringe. There is a gold fabric on the shoulders, more fringe on one side of the jacket and on the sleeves. Under the jacket, she has a sleeveless shirt. The shirt is pretty long. It has a raw edge at the bottom with a zigzag cut. The shirt is different shades of blue. It has a little yellow and some gold. The gold has a little shine and totally reminds me of a net. The pattern goes all the way around. She has a black belt with gold painted details, a tan belt with sculpted fringe, leggings that match the shirt without the gold details. The leggings have an elastic waistband, and they go down into her boots. She has brown boots with a nice little gold shimmer and sculpted fringe. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist. It can move at the hip and bend at the knee. With shoes on, this doll stands around 11 inches tall, making her pretty close to the height of a classic Barbie with flat feet, but taller than a petite Barbie standing flat. While this doll's face is larger than a classic Barbie, it is smaller than the first Uma doll by Hasbro. I like how the Mattel face is more realistic, and I would love to see more of the earlier characters like Mal and Evie remade this way, but with smaller heads. I think placing her on a made-to-move body might balance out the head size a little. Now, where are we gonna find an extra made-to-move body? Excuse me, other Uma. Can we have a chat? Prepare the hot water. Place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water. Caution, hot water is hot. You've been warned. I warm the doll's head in the water until it softens and can be easily removed. Then place it on the made-to-move body to make our Uma doll taller and give her more articulation. What would a Skipper doll look like on a Disney Descendants body? Let's find out. Oh wow, not too bad. The Skipper head was an easy fit for this Disney Descendants body. It gives her a slightly longer neck, and I think the proportions are pretty good. But I think Uma is gonna want her clothes back. Let's see if they still fit. The leggings fit with no problem. The shirt is a little snug at the top, but since the fabric is stretchy, it is doable. I was able to close the Velcro in the back. I was able to get the jacket on, however the sleeves are a little short, the belts still fit, and the boots are staying on. So now we have a new made-to-move Uma. And the Descendants body can easily be used with a Skipper doll. Who might like some new Disney Descendants back-to-school supplies? I know we already did our back to school supplies video this year, but I thought it would be fun to have some Disney Descendants inspired notebooks and folders, a notepad, and a few pencils. If you want the spiral notebook and the composition book to have pages, I made a second printable, where we get paper with blue lines. I also added notebook paper that is single-sided, as well as a few Disney Descendants inspired posters. To put these together, I'm using a few note cards and rounded toothpicks. If you've made a lot of our back-to-school supplies, you know that the toothpicks are for the pencils. And on this printable, I did make the pencils longer. All we have to do is cut them out. I divided these into 3 parts so we can make 3 pencils. Let's just cut to separate them, then roll the paper around a toothpick using a glue stick to secure them, trim off the excess, sand the other end, add a little black paint on the end to make a few Disney Descendants inspired pencils. Cut out the pages for the notepad, glue one onto leftover doll packaging, trim off the excess, stack the other pages on top, run a glue stick across the top edge, push the glue between the pages, then press and hold to make a Disney Descendants notepad that we can use with our mini pencils. Cut out the composition books and the spiral notebooks, along with their templates and pages. Fold the pages accordion style, add glue in the back to make them double-sided, leaving the first and last page single. Use the template on a note card to cut 2 rectangles, glue them to the back of the cover, leaving a small space between them, then glue in the pages to make a miniature spiral notebook with pages and a hard cover. Once complete, we have 2 spiral notebooks and 2 composition books. To make the folders, cut on the outside line, fold on the lines, make 2 small cuts near the bottom, fold over the top and glue it down, then the sides. Place glue on the outside of the bottom tabs, then fold them over to make pockets for our miniature Disney Descendants folders, giving Skipper new school supplies. Oh, but she might need something to wear. Let's see if the new Disney Descendants can fit the old Disney Descendants fashion. Let's start with this dress that belonged to Evie. So far, the Velcro is closing in the back. So I'm going to say yes, this dress totally works. What about this top from Mal? I paired it with some leggings and a pair of boots from Mal. They're staying on, turning this Skipper into a Disney Descendants fan. I love the idea of being able to use some of the older Disney Descendants clothing with the Disney Descendants The Rise of Red dolls. Well, some of them. I haven't tried the curvies. But with the back-to-school supplies, this is super cute. We can cut out the included posters and put them on the walls of the dollhouse for a doll fan room. The printable for our Disney Descendants inspired school supplies will be available on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. Thank you for joining us while we had fun checking out some new Disney Descendants The Rise of Red dolls and DIYing our own Disney Descendants inspired school supplies. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!